Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be discussing about how to install Proton VPN on router. So this is going to be offering you to switch your router to different regions if you have some regional let's just say obstructions and restrictions. You can simply avoid them using Proton VPN, and why I recommend this is because it is really efficient. So let me actually show you how this looks. So you can see I have already downloaded. Now you can also connect it to your router. You can see we have port forwarding option on here. You can install it onto any of your browser using your browser basically. You can see on the left side we have all of these reasons showing up that we can switch to. So this is going to be really helping you guys out. So that's how basically you can install on your router, and you can also get 64% off onto these plans that Proton VPN offers. So let me show you. You can see once you click on get Proton VPN, you can see we have two different plans over here, and you can get up to 64% off. So make sure to give a try to that, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.